These are my Vegega raised beds that we built earlier in the summer, and we haven't planted them up until this last couple of days. We've been waiting for the soil to settle in them because they've taken such a large amount and volume of soil. We filled these initially with some turfs on the base, which I wanted to settle. And then over the fence here, I took the opportunity of having a guy with a mini digger on site, which was really, really good, to fill them with a combination that was mixed up topsoil and rotten horse manure out of the pens that we've got here. And that went onto the top of these, and then we left it and we left it and we turned it and we let it settle, and it's gone down from just below the surface down probably around 6 to 8 inches now below the surface, and it's pretty firm in the base. Now I know when you fill something this volume you're going to get more settlement, and I do expect the volume of the surface on these to drop further over the next coming months, but I think now's the time. It's certainly the right time for these strawberry runners that we've planted into these beds to go in. They're in an ideal condition and state for planting, and if I get them in now in August, then they've got plenty of warmth left in this soil and opportunity to get a really good root growth established in these nice new deep soil containers this year. Now, I know this is a big expense to go to grow some strawberries, but it's something that I've wanted to do and struggled with for many years in this location, and the main reason for that is our location. If I pan up, you can see it's beautiful, but it's awash with squirrels and all sorts of other wildlife. I've got partridge, pheasant. I hate to think what else comes in and eats my soft fruit during the nights. Plenty of wildlife anyway. My point is, a raised bed system like this with a pretty vertical wall, and then the opportunity to have the raised walls around the fruit as it sinks down, as it will further. I'll get some nice mesh tops made with an impenetrable chicken wire, quite a fine mesh one to keep small animals out, particularly the squirrels, and I think that might give me the opportunity to actually harvest some ripe strawberries. That would be a nice first, wouldn't it? So that's my theory and why I've chosen to use these for strawberries. We've got them established in here now. We've planted 16 in this square bed, put them about a foot apart, little shorter of a foot. The soil that we put them in is really, really nice. It's a well worked, well rotten horse manure topsoil mix with a good depth in it as well, and we're going to water these regularly, and I expect them to start putting some leaf on within about a fortnight, and come the end of September they should have a good canopy of leaf and really be putting some strength into the plants, hopefully for some really decent fruit next year. So that's my Vegega raised beds. I'm really pleased with them. They're looking very smart. I do like the appearance of these things. Just think they've got that sort of retro agricultural feel, and they go very well in this paddock environment where we've got the new vegetable garden. So let's see how we go with these, and I'll keep you updated next year. Hopefully in May and June we'll be picking some early strawberries out of them.